Okay, laws of reflection है ना. Image, two types of image, real image as well as virtual image है ना. We have studied the characteristics of image, real image as well as virtual image. Now we will study about image formed by plane mirror. Okay, so we have taken a plane mirror here and we have taken an object here. It will form image behind the mirror as shown in this diagram. This is the object and this is the plane mirror. From here the incident ray falls on the surface of the plane mirror and it bounces back. It bounces back and it forms angle of incidence as well as angle of reflection. Now we are studying in front of plane mirror. So image form behind the mirror. So we are seeing here image is formed here. The characteristics of image formed by the plane mirror are it form virtual image. It form virtual image. Virtual image means behind the mirror. It means that it cannot be obtained on screen. Virtual image means image which cannot be obtained on screen. So we are seeing here image is formed behind the mirror. That's why it is virtual. Okay. Next, size of the image is equal to the size of the object. As if suppose object is 2 meter, then size of the image will be 2 meter. So we can say that size of image is equal to the size of the object. Further, image is formed as far as behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Means, suppose object is 2 meter away from the plane mirror. In front of it, it forms the image 2 meter behind the mirror. So we can say that image is formed as far as behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Next, image will be laterally inverted. Image will be laterally inverted. Means the left hand shows right hand. If we raise right hand, then image shows raise left hand. Left looks right. This is laterally inverted. Okay. Once again we recall image formed by the plane mirror. Characteristics of image virtual and direct. Size of image is equal to the size of the object. Image is formed as far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Image will be laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means left hand looks like right hand. Object raise left hand, then it looks like right hand of the image. Okay, these were the characteristics of image by the plane mirror.